Alright everybody, today we got a little bit of a mail call video going out. So the first thing that I want to throw in here on the mail call is this little wind gauge. Now this is from Rick Halbur, and he actually sent me the noise gauge and the wind gauge at the same time, but the wind gauge went into the mailbox of my neighbor. Okay, so that's how that worked out. And then a couple of days later I got it. So thank you, Rick, and it's very nice. I haven't even put the battery in yet, but I'm gonna try it. I'm waiting for some wind to kick up. Okay, when the wind kicks up, then I'm gonna take it out with me. This is a real nice one, so thank you, Rick. Rick is the man. It even comes with a battery, just like the other one. The other one had a battery too. Nice. Good stuff. Next up is this super nice hat from RC Crazy. Thank you, Eric. Eric is the man. And it even fits on my midget head. With a little bit of adjustment. A little bit of adjustment going on there. Okay, so you got... Alright, there you go. Beautiful. Next up, we got this. And I haven't opened this yet. I'm going to have to crack the tape on here, I believe. This is an Evo battery. Yay. Now, you know, the Evo uses that smart battery technology that DJI does. You know, they self-discharge, so. And there it is right there. It's nice. No swelling going on there. I don't need that no more. So that's good. Beautiful. No, but it's real low too. Okay, so very nice, very nice. This thing was about, I think it was $75 for this. So yeah, it's real nice. I'm not even gonna need the box or anything anymore. I'll just put it in the case if I can squeeze it in there in that small case. Next up, I got this. I guess it's Potensic. Little A30W. Now this is courtesy of them. They're an Amazon seller. So I'm going to be making a video on this. But I took it out of the box and there's what it looks like. It's very nice. Very nice. It's like one of those little whoops, but like a bigger version. Okay? It's like a bigger version of that. Seems real nice. You know, so I'm digging that. I like these kind of little quadcopters like this. Real cool. And next up, we got this case. Now, I saw this case on Banggood. It was, I think it was like $18 or $20 or something like that. And I was like, wow, that thing is pretty nice. And I was thinking, oh, I could fit this in there and I could fit that in there. But then when I got all this and got all these quads out and started to sit them in there, like the Xeno and the Evo and all that, they were too high. Because, you know, the Xeno and the Evo, they sit higher than the Mavic Pro. You know, they sit a little bit higher. They have the little bit longer legs on them. So, neither one of them would fit in there. And I was thinking, okay, what am I going to do to this thing? But then I thought about something. And this thing actually fits perfect in here. I couldn't believe it. There it is. The Jamie is ready. Okay, the Jamie fits perfect right in there. So I never thought I would find a case for the Jamie, but I got one now. Okay, there it is. It's still around. Okay, I still have it. So this case is perfect for that. And this case is real nice. Actually, it's got that it's styrofoam, but it's that rubber-based styrofoam. You know, so it's not like a cooler you know, one of them styrofoam coolers that you know, put pop in for a picnic or whatever, where you would press a hole and it would, you know, stay indented or it would poke through or whatever. Has that, it's styrofoam, but it has that rubber mixed in with it. So it has that flex. So when you push on it, it'll come back, you know. It doesn't stay dented in. I like it. It's real nice. This case is real nice for 20 bucks, man. It's real nice. Now, it had a lot of inserts and all that crap in there, but I don't need them with the JME. So it had like a little holder on this side and had like a little divider over here where you could separate stuff. But this thing fits snug, perfect right in there. So I'm not going to need that at all. Real nice case. And last but not least is we have 3 little accessories right here for the Osmo Pocket from Sunny Life. I got these on Banggood, and they were, I think, like $4 or $4.50 a piece. Here's a little stand that fits nice in there. So if you just need a little stand, there you go. If you just need to raise it up a little bit. And now this thing here is a smaller version of that one I have. And it has the mic hole in there. Bill Thomas. Right there it is. And this has this rubber coating in here, so it's really hard to get in and out, but that's to make it so it don't fall out. You know what I mean? So you have to wedge that down in there. And then when you pull it out, just make sure you pull it by the body. You don't try to, you know, pull it by the camera. You know, you don't want to rip the gimbal in half. So that's for mounting on a selfie stick or, you know, whatever you want to do. That's not going nowhere, I can tell you that. That's really hard to get wedged all the way in there. It's no cupcake. And then they give you the mount for it too. The little, you know, GoPro adapter thingy. So that's cool. And then the other one, the last one, is just a rubber base. Right there. It's a no-slip base is what it is. So that just sits in there like that. I actually like this one. Okay. Real nice. They were like $4 a piece. Think $4, $4.25, $4.50, somewhere around in there. Okay, real cheap. You know, so real nice. I like this base right here. This is real nice. All right, guys, there you go. Mail call. Yay. All right. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.
Yeah.